Are you looking for the best mechanic tool set? In your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best mechanic tool set that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the DEWALT DWMT81534-205 PC Mechanics Toolset. This isn't just any kind of toolset but one that is impressively built and also contains the necessary tools that you need. Firstly, DEWALT company is well known for its manufacture of high quality and premium tools among other products, and they have carried this same high quality reputation to this mechanics toolset. While settling for this premium mechanic toolset, buyers should be advised that this toolset doesn't contain any set of hammers or pliers despite containing a total of over 200 items. This mechanic tool set mostly contains ratchet socket heads of different sizes, and they all bear the high quality DEWALT is known for. An impressive feature of this mechanic toolset is its DEWALT direct torque technology, which makes sure greater torque gets to the bear through the wrench head. This, in turn, makes loosening and fastening a very easy task. Up next in the fourth place is the Craftsman 230-piece mechanics tool set. Taking a look at the image above would give you a good idea of the quality of tools we have, and here you can actually see that we have ratchets and sockets lined up. This is often described as a treasure chest for mechanics, and from the look of things, you can also tell that what we have here is just another impressive set of ratchets. It also comes with some extras too. Looking at these set of tools alone, you can easily tell that they are all made of high-quality materials which do not just improve their appearance but also make sure they are durable and also lasts long. Their alloy steel material construction has a silver finish which helps in protecting against corrosion. This toolset is also an extension bar that helps in applying torque when necessary, and it also consists of a decent set of Allen keys and a universal screwdriver. In conclusion, this is just another impressive set of tools for every mechanic to work with. The third product on our list is the Crescent CTK170MPN Mechanics Toolset. Another Crescent toolset to make it to our review is the Crescent CTK170MPN, and what makes this toolset different from other is it features not just any sort of tool but what we describe as a hybrid tool collection. What we are saying is this toolset contains a wide collection of wrench head attachment and also 3 well-built ratchet heads. However, that isn't just all about this toolset, as it also features other necessary tools that would be useful in one area or the other, and we are talking about an adjustable spanner, pair of pliers, lots of bits, and also a universal screwdriver. Just as we talked about in the last Crescent toolset we discussed, there is an upgrade in their toolbox. The storage box of this tool has been upgraded as it has been made to be tougher and stronger, and not just that but also compact enough to be able to be replaced and removed when necessary. Its low price and wide tool selection option are what attracts people to this original toolset. Second on our list is the WORKPRO W009044A 408-piece mechanics toolset. For all beginners out there, this is a toolset you really don't want to miss out on, and unlike some of the toolsets we have already listed on this list, this high-quality toolset from WORKPRO doesn't just contain wrenches but it comes stuck with everything you need, including zip ties, box cutter, measuring tape, and even a hammer. However, its socket wrench might not be as comprehensive as other products on this list, but it still comes with a socket wrench to deal with some beginner problems. These tools feature a vanadium steel construction combined with a unique chrome finish which adds durability and also helps in extending the life of this product. An interesting design of this toolset is toolbox, which has a metal locking that makes sure each of these tools is kept safe after use, and this toolbox is also lightweight but prone to dent attacks. Generally speaking, this is the best option for beginners. Finally, the top product on our list is the DEWALT DWMT75049 Mechanics Toolset. DEWALT is known for putting its heart and effort into anything it sets out to do, and you would see that this statement is evident in this mechanic toolset. And even though this toolset doesn't contain all the tools for mechanics, it does come with a tool for every job. For handling standard home repairs, this is one toolset that you can count on. Its ratchets and wrenches all possess a solid and firm grip that makes applying torque very easy, and one interesting aspect of its sockets is they stay firm while tightening and loosening bolts. Settling for this toolset from DEWALT means you are settling for a high-quality toolset that has a lifetime warranty and they would last thanks to their quality material construction. They are made using vanadium steel material combined with a chrome finish which makes cleaning up easy and ensures long-lasting usage of these tools. These toolsets do not guarantee to tackle every problem in your car, but there are still certain problems it would help in sorting out, and it also does its job extremely well. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.